Sorry, I didn't even realize that my video had run out, so I will attempt to continue where I left off. Once a line has been attached, the power dory is turned towards the village and the heavy task of towing the animal home begins. Arriving at the shore, all the village men assemble to help tug, push, and roll the animal out of the water onto the beach. There the skin is removed, first by slitting down the belly and peeling back until it lies spread flat on the ground with the animal, especially if it be a sea lion lying in the middle. Then, section by section, the blubber is carved away and the limbs of the animal dismembered. These are then carried away and divided among the various families. When all the meat has been distributed, the pro tem owner of the animal, the man who did the actual killing, takes the hide and the guts to his house, where his women folks scrape and dry them for later manufactures. Now, these are just a few examples of the food that the Alaskan natives used as subsistence living. The Alaskan Inuit have been using their environment and its natural resources for nutritional, material, social, and ritual purposes since time immemorial. Activities that revolve around the harvesting, transforming, sharing, and consuming of renewable resources of the land are frequently designated by the generic term subsistence. Subsistence still constitutes an essential component of Alaskan Inuit culture, identity, and economy. For those Alaskan natives who engage in subsistence uses, the very acts of hunting, fishing, and gathering, coupled with the seasonal cycle of these activities and the sharing and celebrations which accompany them, are intricately woven into the fabric of their social, psychological, and religious life. In conclusion, the Alaskan natives have learned to thrive in one of the harshest climates of North America. The handling and processing of untamed resources for sustenance, raw materials, and alternative uses are essential part of the traditions and customs of the Alaskan natives for hundreds of years. When they speak of subsistence, they do not just mean using the resources, but also using tribal methods in acting out cultural and fulfilling those values. In addition, they do those things because they are a measure of protection for the land and its resources. Thank you.